Okay, 27th June. First bar, it is the bear bar. We giving breakout to this price action. Okay, price also closed above it. So I also got idea for. Let me show you. Where is the okay? Second half sustain. Okay, so if market able to sustain uh, like this, so this is the price action, and at the end we are giving breakout. Okay, so this is the price action, and at the end we are going breakout. If you see here, so this is the mainly measured move, bottom, midpoint, and high of the day. Okay, here is also same that this is bear buying day. We stayed here, not able to break out below EMA. No price action of bears is going on. So probably after this is the last push. Here you can see that momentum is not very strong. So faded by buyers, and price suddenly go above the EMA. There is even 5 to 6 consecutive candle are there. So chances of going upside is very high. Okay, so always in position at here, always in position is off downside. Now we are going for always in position for upside. So always in means we can trade anywhere here. Okay, if you traded also this point breakout to the EMA, so after seeing this you can also scale in here and manage well. Okay, so this is also one chart where if price sustain above the moving average, so we are seeing the high of the day. Okay, so same I consider today, because if you see here that in last hour we are seeing uh, buying pressure. Okay, so price stay above it. So this is the probable measured move. Okay, so first candle which is not very strong. Okay, so if you I not consider to buy or sell it, still in confusion mode, so I uh, not traded here. Second bar which is looks like bull bar, I also not convinced, because if you see here that close is not above its high, sorry, previous candle. Okay, so I also prefer to trade for reversal trade. Okay, so uh, I thought that if we go for sort of reversal, then we can, it has multiple advantage like gap filling and touch to the EMA. Okay, so if buyers want to go for higher move, or if any controller, or we can say any market movement or market structure, smart money, if they want to take prices for upside, so this is the best idea to go for it. Okay, this is the best measured move setup. So I consider it, and third bar I sold here for opening reversal trade. I thought that if we got consecutive 2 or 3 bar, so I can at least got measured move of this candle, this bar, size of this bar. Okay, fourth bar. So fourth bar is not tradable. Okay, so after seeing fourth bar, I got idea, and I also made uh, bottom channel, bear channel. Okay, so this is the top of the channel. This is the bear. So what I thought that after seeing, if we see also bull bar is there, so also buying of that bull bar close is also good approach. Okay, because buyers will not get followed through. So very next bar is bull bar. Okay, so I gone for same thought that this will not get good follow through. I didn't mean to go for scaling approach, because I have enough position created here. Sixth bar, so I solely believe that this is the bear channel. Okay, so if these two bull bars are there, this little bull bar are there. So this bear move is not very strong. Okay, so I also thought for that we are seeing bear reversal day today, and very recent scenario for that is the 20th June here. After seeing first leg and second leg, we are chasing for the high above day and closing above, very far above the day. So I also assume that. Okay, so sixth bar, it is the sell on close. So if you, let's, I sold at this bottom. So let's see. Okay, this consecutive bar, if you notice that these three consecutive bar are also very not strong, even not able to break this channel. So chances of very next bar, which is the bull bar, is also high. Okay, so if you sold here, you see that this bear bar is not going anywhere. Okay, it have no strength. If you see that after that, if you imagine that this is very next bar, which is the green bar. Okay, so slowly downside movement is going on. So you want to exit, you can exit at this point, at 8th bar. Okay, so 9th bar, which is the bull bar. Here chances of going at least for measured move is high. Okay, lock button, or chances of two bull bar is also uh, acceptable. Okay, because SL of many sellers are stepped down to this level, and they understood that price is not going in their favor from for like trending bars. Okay, this is the limit order pricing going on, sidebars move. Okay, 10th bar, follow through for this bar. We notice that this bar have no body exactly same like this. Okay, so this is not considered as a reversal bar. If again after these sidebars, if again bears bar we see that like this, so sellers will go for short here. Okay, sellers means even competitor are also selling here, so they are go for scaling approach. Okay, let's see 11th bar, which is the bear bar, which is the sell on close. Okay, 10th, which is also sell on close. Here interesting to see is that in this bear move, sellers are unable to create consecutive two bars. Okay, that's it is the valid point for that market will now not in trending mode to the downside. Okay, somewhere what at the EMA or retesting to this point or even this point, reversal is going on. Reversal will occur. Okay, 13 bars, so consecutive two bars bull bar. Okay, market not able to close above this price action. Also, one point I want to discuss is that this is the sidebars. Okay, if you traded anywhere here and hope for good profit, so you at the end, you, one idea of thought is that today also same going to happen, that market is not going anywhere. This is the price action. Market will play here. Okay, it is or not bad approach. It is also good approach. And very first candle, which is doji candle, so it is also showing sign that two-sided move will be going on. Okay, 13th bar, which is the bull bar, not breaking above this uh, price action, so still buyers will wait. And anywhere here we are not see any uh, exhausted move or very big bear bar like vacuum bar. Okay, so also chances of reversal is less. Also, one point I want to discuss is that this is the third bar, where if you notice here, we yesterday seen that if you see big bars at the range, starting of this overlapping area, this is the overlapping area. If you see it, that itself it act as an exhausted move. Okay, if sellers want to try to go for downside, they can easily create channel and chase for the low of the day, even today's low or even yesterday's low. Okay, that is the correct price action to trendy market. Here if you see that this is the 4 consecutive bars, prices are not going upside, they successfully created channel and they are able to break below even that day's low. If you see here, this price action not looking good for sellers. Okay, act as a itself exhaustive move. Let's go for 14th bar. Okay, it is the VR bar. Here interesting to see is that even you can scale in here. After seeing this mode, you can exit here. I decided to exit this SL. So very next candle 15 bar, which is the green candle, and took my SL. Okay, so let's see. This is the 15 candle which took my SL. 16th bar, which is breakout to this price action. Interesting point to see is that if we got follow through, then chances of this measured move, okay, is also high. This is the measured move. Then target of this sell buyer bar is up to this level. So 16th bar, which is the bear bar. Okay, I not interested to selling anywhere here. I consider it as I will go for reversal trade. Okay, if channel is very strong, then I will consider to go for sell. Here, no sign for strength of sellers. Okay, so 17 bar good follow through and also given breakout to the EMA. So here if what if 18th bar, okay, 16 17, if 18th bar break above the EMA, okay, very bull bar and breaking above the EMA, so what will they do? So I am I am sure that many buyers will enter at that position. Even buyer also enter at this 17th close, because many buyer scalpers are there who trading below the breakout point. Okay, price breakout to the this level, so they will buy here. Let's see for scalping. Okay, okay, 18th bar is bull bar, so many sellers will enter here to price touch above this, and it also consider as a reversal trade. Okay, this is also good approach to go for reversal trade. If this price uh, get good follow through, then reversal mode is very high. Okay, 19th bar which have no strength, so still we can see bear bar, no consecutive bull bars, hope for that. 20th bar, which is the bear bar, same happen that this 20th bar not get good follow through. Very next bar is green bar, bull bar, and also this bull bar is not interest good looking bar. So one point to assume is that uh, price staying at this moving average. Okay, okay, so chances of sidebars is very high. 23rd, price gone below this price action, so consider as a breakout. So there are mainly, this is the first breakout. Okay, this is the second breakout. So again buyers will put limit order to buy here. I at this point I also go for approach for uh, my I traded call option. So one lot I traded here at this closing, and another lot which I put a limit order. Okay, so this is the good looking bull bar. So if you see here that there is no consecutive follow through for this selling bars, if this size of bar came in picture for buyers for consecutive mode, follow through mode, then chances of reversal is very high. Okay, it is sure that. So 24th which is bull bar, 25 it signed for reversal, that market is trying to reverse. sellers have no edge, they are not able to go below far breakout or even EMA. 25, which is the breakout to the EMA, which is signal for buying. 26, good, not consider as an inside bar for this upside movement. Okay, let's see what we do. Okay, 77 bar, which is giving breakout. So now buyers are ready to enter here. Okay, I want to also trade it for like always in position. Now always in position is converted into upside. Okay, after seeing this 27 bar, what you can do, my thought is for to trade here. Okay, you trade here very if you trade it, if you full position is 100, like uh, 200 quantity, so you go for only 50 quantity here, because chances of pullback is also high, or even may chase reversal down is also high. We are not sure that this will continue to grow, but you sure take care in mind that if market wants to go far away, so they have to create at least channel for it. So if you're trading here, then you have to take view that I will also trade it for near EMA price. I will also scale in for H low 2 at EMA. Okay, or even any very next breakout bars. I will scale in. You also consider it. Same view can consider it. 28th bar, follow through for 27th bar. Okay, so this is the micro channel. So good follow through, bull bars are there. 29, which is the bear bar. Now who sold here 23rd can now scale in here. Even 26, 27 is scaling for them. Let's see how sellers can exit. Okay, they are scaling here, then their break-even position is somewhere here. I don't think they will get it, because this is the breakout bar which is very high strength. 30th bar, not interested bar. Even seller, I think sellers will exit at 30 bar. 31, which is the breakout bar. Okay, so they are creating channel. This is the part of first leg. Let's see how, if you traded anywhere here, you just stick with your SL. You try to scale in or scalp at the good looking bull bar. So this is the good looking bull bar. You can scale in here for good follow through and stay in the first leg. Okay, if you traded one leg here, go for second leg for scalp. 32, which is the breakout, good not follow through, still part of this position. If you are saying this, then one take your one uh, idea is that sellers are not able to create two consecutive bear bar. Look, here is the one bar, two bar which are not traded below it. This bear bar, interesting to see that again they will go for second consecutive bull bar. I don't think so. Price will go upside. So always in position is right approach. Okay, so 34th, which is the bull bar, always in position, buy on close, still part of micro channel. 35, shown some down pressure. Okay, so if you're seeing this, that every two consecutive bars there is seller's leg. So this mode of buying, okay, is not still have strength. Range of these candles is high, but they are not got any consecutive bull bars, 4 to 5, 5 to 6. So I think they will hand over to sellers and go for two leg for sellers, and they will again buy for at near EMA or at L2. Okay, let's see. 26 also not strength. So if price traded below 26, then it is sign that market will go sideways or pull back to this level. Interesting to think is that if you bought anywhere, you can exit here or even exit on bear bar. I think very next bar is bear bar to 37. Why you will exit? You will exit to check strength of sellers. If sellers are aggressive, then prices will go further down. If sellers not in strength, then we again go buy side after bull bar. Let's check it. Okay, so this bear bar, exit all your position. Okay, got follow through 38 bar. This is bull bar. Looks like this is ending of first leg, 39 low, ending of first leg. We also can see bear bar because it is the micro channel bear. Wedge pattern is there because this is the largest candle, and I hope we not see this type of candle again. Okay, okay, 14th bar, which is the breakout to this micro channel. So two legs somewhere exiting here. If go above this is also good approach at 40. Okay, 41 bear bar. If you scale in here, no worries. Put your appropriate SL below this 32 or below this uh, EMA. Okay, but here if you notice that uh, prices go below EMA. Okay, let's see. 42 still bears are not able to create good looking two bear bars consecutive. Okay, here is the uh, interesting candle is that 43, which is the largest candle among this selling pressure. So probably this is the first leg. Go for second leg is good approach. So buying close is also good approach because buyers will fade it, or we even see retest, sort of retest or bull bar equivalent to this. Okay, let's see how far they can go with consecutive bars. So 44th and not interested bar, still inside bar. 44th, which is the good bear bar. So they got consecutive 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 bear bar. So this is the deep pullback. Okay, so they are matching their lows with this. Okay, so they are matching their lows here. Here, if you see, there is no bull part is here. This is spike, considered as a spike. So I often see that uh, if they are going for spike, or even they have to move further downside, they have to create channel. Okay, so if anyone bought 40th bar still in this position, they will again go heavily, they go for buy because this is the heavily discount. Okay, if you see in this price action, this is 50% discount. Okay, anyone sold here, they sold again here and exited somewhere here. These are sellers break even position and profit in second position. Who sold here can profit book here. 46 again got follow through. So total 6 candles are there. Okay, let's see how bulls are reacting below EMA. If you are anywhere bought here, stay in position. If you don't want to stay, exit. Okay, if you exit anywhere here, even here, because you don't know how many consecutive bear bars will go on. Okay, what you do, if you see any good looking bull bar, you can again go full position here. Okay, so here is the one signal. This is reversal bar, 2 bar reversal we can consider it because closing above previous bar, high is above the previous bar. Okay, it got breakout 48th bar. So you not exited, not entered on this bar, you can enter here. Below EMA also buyers have good opportunity. It is sign that Okay, this is the discounted price. Who traded here are great trader. Okay, they are at great position. Even they move their position to price, they will never exit today's. Even I also think that tomorrow they will never exit. 49, 50, yeah, up to 50 there is full consecutive bull bars are there, and they have strength. If you see here in this, if you can observe it, if you see this first leg, there is no four consecutive bars out there. Here they are able to create it because of this EMA gap and deep pullback. Okay, I also consider I traded somewhere here, scaled two lot at one lot above this, so entered at here, and one lot I put order below here, and this price will trigger it. One thing to notice is that I have also observed that if price is this is the deep pullback, they got at least five bear bars. If they are, if sellers pullback is deep, so sellers will again try to sell at higher level. Why I am doing saying this, because I have one pattern. This is the four bear move, so it's considered as a pullback. Look, this pullback is very heavy strength, and sellers not able to create channel here, so sellers have faded it. Look, and price closed at the bottom of the day. So that's why it takes in mind that if pullback is going more 3 or 4 bars, then take caution that if price will fade it, what will you do? Okay, we can trade it at anywhere here. We can trade it for second leg, because second leg is somewhere equal to this move. Okay, if you see here, this move equivalent to this move. Okay, let's go. Okay, 4 bar consecutive bars, 53, 54, 55, again 4 bar. Okay, 50 here. If you see that, again same scenario happening, that they will not get more than 2 candles, so sellers will exiting here, and they will not think for going position at some higher level. Okay, till higher level. If you see here that sellers move is far from 4 bar. Okay, here is the 2 consecutive bull bars are there, and then again sellers enter, same. So here their part is far away from fourth candle, 4 bar. 58 breakout, 59 breakout, 60 also breakout, and 61. This is the very huge move. Today is the great day. Who traded here, one traded here, are, are excellent in profit. And easiest trade. Sellers have no strength. I have mind. One more question is that this is the considered as a deep pullback. So if sellers traded here, what it will do? I don't think so. They will, if anywhere in position, he will, at this point he showed huge loss. Okay, my problem is for today is this: I am not ready for this type of pullback. I at this point I also imagine that we will go for high of the day, and I will trade this type of move, because at every end of this channel, buying channel, ending move is like blockbuster. This is the blockbuster move. Okay, but they have to create channel. So channel will be exiting, ending here, and then again we go for it. But this is the deep pullback. 2 legs are there. Okay, fine. They got breakout very soon. Okay, let's accept it and be ready for that, because I gone enter it here. Okay, because this is the channel, so I assume that if this type of deep pullbacks are there, and second leg has no strength, then chances of fading is high. I also assume that. Here in second leg there is very strength. No, even more than first leg. 62, 63 are two consecutive bars. 64 is faded bar. So 63rd low, okay, are first leg. So whoever traded it, I don't want to trade. Even I never I never will trade in strong trend. Okay, 65, which is the follow through for 64 bar. 66, largest bar. I think uh, if any next bar will be bull bar. So again breakout will come. So whoever traded it, put your SL to break even, exit it if you are in good profit. Okay, this is the best idea. 66, I am damn sure that at 67, whoever traded it will scale in. Okay, because their stop loss will be at below EMA. Okay, this is the near EMA L2 good buy signal. Okay, 68, which is the breakout to the high, and it is the largest bar. Can we consider it? So if let's see, 69 sellers not able to trading, sellers are exiting here. 70th bar uh, measured move for the 68 bar size. 70th bar. 71 followed through. Okay, 72 up to these 4 bars are side bars. So good range day. Okay, interesting to why I consider it, because if you see uh, I what I thought is that many institutional traders will start creating position here. They will buy here, even this area they will buy here. This breakout again go more in. They will look this if these bear bars are not very strengthy like this bear bar, so they are buying their lows. 48 buying again, 49. So they creating uh, every bar new position, and they are in heavy position somewhere here. I am damn sure that I read Elbrook. They are trying. He's trying to saying like I say. Okay, they are in huge position. Okay, so at somewhere here, even they, I am sure that they will not exited here. My view for institution is that institutional are great for building their position. They are very fine traders to scale in, and they are creating huge position at the this type of structure. I am trying to trade it. Okay, I also want I traded very small part here. I even traded zero point 0.5 delta at the money price. Okay, then again scale in here, and I able to exit. I exited this because I am not sure this pullback, because I am not in mood to take loss. I missed this opportunity. This is the huge trade. Okay, may why I'm emotional is because I have an example. Okay, I earlier traded this type of day structure, but today I am unable to trade it. Okay, this is the largest move. I waited waited for a very long time because I want to expert in this type of channel. I have very large data structure for that. Okay, if you see bear buying day, I consider many example, and I am trying to mastering it. I will master it. Okay, anyway, uh, great day. So if you see here, I also uh, clear my mind about, if you see here that if what happened if 27th got followed through for bear bar. Here bars have faded it. Okay, let's consider it. What is the sign that buyers are still aggressive? Okay, if you are seeing 27th bar, why not to sell here? this is the question. Okay, so if you see first leg which is ending somewhere here, so this is probably two leg. This is the reversal pattern. Okay, if it got followed through, then we chase for the low of the day, it is sure. And if it is faded by small candle, then chances of going upward is high. Okay, it is faded by buyers. Now buyers have no weight, strong strength. Okay, so they see every two bull bar there is bear bar next to bull bar. 34th one bull bar, 35 one bull bar, and sellers two candle. So this is the sign that sellers are actively participated in this. 37, okay, 38 bull bar, not got followed through, good follow through. 39, okay, this is the sign that sellers are heavy, actively participated. 40, okay, three consecutive bars are there. 41, fourth. 42, fifth. Okay, so I think for 38 to 42 are looks like exhausted move in second leg. If after 43, if sellers got followed through, then always in position is changing into downside. It is sure that 44th bear bar goes so sell here. 44, 46. Okay. Okay, so sellers took entry and sellers converted into always in short position. Here interesting to see is that also you can trade it for 20 at 47 position for upside, because it is look like bull channel. Okay, here is the bull channel. One point to see is that this is the high of the channel. This is the this type of movement is not seen here. Okay, so sort of creating wedge pattern. In wedge pattern, starting bars have high pressure and they not get good follow through for last leg. Okay, so looks like uh, always in position is going for downside. If you traded 46, wait for good bars. Okay, so you are, if you see, there is no any good looking bars are there. 53 you scale in here. 55, wait to go above it. If not go above it, so exit below 55. Not good follow through, try to break above it, not able to, so exiting below is best approach. I exited here, I go short here, I go long here. Okay, and always in position is sorted. You anywhere sold here. Okay, you have what you think, you you have to ride it. Okay, you have to enjoy it. You have to trade like institution and with institutional. So that's how institutional are trading. They even tried many institutions uh, cre- created positions same like today. Okay, but they are smart in not predicting, feeling the both side moves. I think they sensed that this move is not very strengthy and consider this consecutive bar as an exhaustive move. I will also make sure that even if you consider this is a not strengthy move, okay, but the sellers, if you see, sellers are able to create bear channel, and channel is have high probability of going for large and large measure move. If you see that, okay, if you consider uh, measure move to the this level, so here you can achieve it. If you consider this bear bar measured move, here sellers have achieved by creating only channel. Okay, so I think also they have increased measured move to this level. This measured move considered to the breakout point. Okay, not the close of the candle. If you see, these bull bars are not very strong. Faded it. They got followed through, and sellers last leg ending here. Okay, so they got for measured move to this breakout point. Okay, so channel is best way. This is the point that buyers have handing over their position to the sellers after second leg. Okay, let's come back to today's chart. Today's chart is great. Strength here. Even this pullback has got very strengthy. So you also have to trade this. You also have to trade this. But here, if you see this, there is 3 consecutive bear bars. Here are not. So stay in position. Same like this. You can trade it. You create your huge position. Okay, by considering risk. First of all, how I want to create a huge position. So let's consider I bought 24th. Okay, one lot. I again bought 27th lot. Then I seeing the market. Okay, these have no strength. Waited for two-legged pullback to the seller's move. So I again entered at 43. So again entered this 46 or above 47 bar, considering SL, moving SL to whole position, moving SL to here. Okay, and we expect to the second leg only, no for this move. Okay, now you have entered with 4 lot. This is the max size. Okay, because this is, you are in profit scenario, that's why you are adding here. In this scenario you can't add. If you sold here, you again sold here, price is not going your way even. Okay, so if you are selling here 11th 12th, you exit here, because this is the sidebars. You don't want to see this, and you are not seeing here this type of pattern. Okay, this is the pattern. Okay, so you consider it as a flag pattern. Here if you see flag pattern, then again why flag pattern? Okay, so there is, and here is no reason to exit from long position. If you see this bear bar, exit at 50% to this bear bar, bull bar, you cut off your 75 position and 50% position. You again go enter at 67, which is the bull bar, go full position in and enjoy this ride. That's how easy way to trade it. And your individual, if you're trading individual position, you go for approach for scaling approach or swing approach by considering individual risk. Okay, so if you are trading 48 position, you can trade it as an individual. Your last 3 position, put your SL to break even or somewhere like, you can manage it very well. Because if you entered on 25, then your break even is somewhere like here. So then if you traded 47, okay, trading 47, what you can do, you put your both SL below here after seeing 48. Now your 2 position is in profit. Okay, and if go against you, then your SL to be break even. So you are never chance to go in loss scenario. And if you are saying this 2 bull bar is faded by buyers, then you can again go scale in for individual position, because these 2 position are free. Your asset is free. Okay, you have zero value to lose. You again go create 1 position, put your SL here. Okay, so put your SL here. Uh, now you are in 3 position. The third is individual position, 2 with your break even, and third is with your SL. Okay, and you can take your 1 lot SL. Okay, but if you not trading here with your high quantity, then you are missing this opportunity. Okay, we will consider many examples same type. Okay, so I want to discuss it for myself. So great, I discussion here. Okay, okay, thank you.